Hi friends, welcome to Raina's channel. Today we are going to see about the evolution of telephone from 1876 to 2020. Come on, let's go into the video. The first telephone in 1876, liquid telephone transmitter invented by US scientist Alexander Graham Bell around 1876, one of the earliest experimental microphones. Bell wired it to be a battery and a crude earphone device to make experimental telephones. It was one of the first microphone device that could transmit intelligent speech. Next is the first commercial telephone. On this day 141 years ago, Alexander Graham Bell installed the world's first commercial telephone service in Canada. Just a year ago, he had been awarded the first US patent for the telephone. A prolific inventor, Bell had more than 18 patents and 12 others that he shared with collaborators. Next, telephones were fulfilling the social and business needs of the public because the butter stamp telephone was confusing for customers. The same device for both talking and listening, a second transmitter receivers was added, allowing either antenna to work for both functions. This was called a wall set. Next is wall telephone with Blake transmitter made by the United Telephone Company 1880 to 1890. This telephone uses a Blake carbon transmitter designed and patented by Francis Blake 1850 to 1913. In 1877, it is used a platinum contact with a button of carbon to transmit speech and was found to be more sensitive than earlier transmit design used in telephones. Next, this item is for a limited edition in 1882 magneto wall set replica of the first telephone manufactured by Western Electric for the Bell system. This telephone is authentic by the Edison Institute Henry Ford Museum at Dearborn, Michigan. Next, American Bell Telephone launched American Telephone Company in 1865. It was clearly their goal to build long distance lines and develop a long distance company. This long distance transmitter introduced in 1886 was the first long distance transmitter. Next is desk set telephone in 1892. Lars Magnus Ericsson personally designed one of the world's most original and now most converted standard telephones. It is desk telephone in the form of naked steel construction with two black liquid inductor magnets ingeniously curved and twisted into a stand. Next, in 1895, the Western Electric Model Number 3 desk set was produced for the American Bell Telephone Company, commonly called a potbelly because of its resemblance to a potbelly stove. This phone was used through about 1897. Next one is common battery. It was invented on 1900 years. The effort to make telephoning more convenient is perpetual. The early telephones were voice powered, then a wet battery was used, which, though an improvement, sometimes resulted in acid on the carpet. Dry batteries came next. The fourth stage was the common battery with the power supply at the exchange. Next is Magno wall set. It was invented on 1907. This is a more modern version of the telephone with a built-in generator mechanism to provide current for signaling the operator. Almost exactly similar telephones were in general use from the late 90s through the 30s. Some still are in the service in rural areas. Note enclosed receiver terminals, an improvement of 1907. Next is desk set. It was invented on 1910. This somewhat streamlined pedestal desk telephone first appeared in black finish in 1910. Though its prototype, a nickel-plated affair, dates back to the turn of the century. These telephones were made of the cast brass and later steel and were the all-American standard for the next quarter century or so. Next is wall set. Invented on 1913, the wall telephone is becoming more compact. Instruments like this were in general service and were also forerunners of today's home interphone system. Next is dial telephone. It was invented on 1919. Coast to coast phone service had begun in 1915 and the United States had topped 100 million in population. Dial service was coming in strongly. Next one is desk set. It was invented on 1928. The Roaring Twenties gave America a new look in telephones when the combined receiver transmitters idea used by linemen since 1878. Next is 300 type desk set. It was invented on 1937, a major innovation that offered added convenience to telephone subscribers. Placed the bell in the base, previously housed in a separate box. Next is telephone key set. It was invented on 1938. The 300 also offered added convenience for business users. It incorporated within the set one old button and 5 others for calling, signaling or access to other extensions. Next is 500 type desk set. It was invented on 1949. It was 500 series in the telephone. Next is 500 type color desk set. It was invented on 1954. In 1954, the telephone started to become a decorative household item. Next is wall telephone. It was invented in 1956. Next is speaker set phone, invented on 1958. Microphone and speaker units free the user's hands to make notes or look up reference. Next is call director telephone. It was invented on 1958. Call director telephone used in variety business office. Next is princess telephone. It was designed on 1959. Next is home interphone telephone. It was designed on 1960 and it is mainly used for business purpose. Next is panel telephone. It was invented on 1962. Next is touch-tone telephone. It was invented on 1964 and a new era in communication. The dial is replaced by push buttons. Next is trim line phone. It is invented in 1965. Next is Dutch phone, invented in 1975. Next is AT&T picture phone, invented in 1970s, one of the first video phones by AT&T. Next is AEG Telecar CD in 1980s. This is how mobile phones looked in the 1980s. Next is Motorola Dynatac 8000X 1983. Behold the first commercial line of mobile phones launched in 1980. This Motorola Microtac 9800X 1989. Only real important people and early adopters had one of this cell phone. Next is cordless phone in 1990s, a typical cordless phone in the 1990s. Next is Siemens AG GSM phone 1991, the first GSM phone. Next is IBM Simon in 1994. The IBM Simon is widely considered the first smartphone. Next is Motorola StarTAC in 1996. The flip phone craze started with the Motorola cell phone. Next is Nokia 8210 in 1999, Nokia cell phone. Next is Shark J SH04 in 2000, available in Japan, is the first camera phone. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.